Welcome guys, today I will show you how to perform factory reset on Motorola Edge 70. So, we have two ways how to do it. The first one, open the settings, go down to the System chapter, here pick Reset Options. After that, you will find Erase all data factory reset. Choose it. Then you should accept all steps, like here. The device will restart with completed factory reset. You will see this circle with erasing communicate, so wait for a while. Okay, now we have completely factory resetted device in front of us. Remember, if you have some password, pattern or PIN added, like a lock screen, you will need to enter it to accept the factory reset. But if you forgot your lock screen method, you can choose other way from the recovery mode. How to do it? So, firstly, you should completely turn off the device. Click power key with volume up key together once and choose power off. Then, after the device will be completely turned off, hold down the power key with volume down key at the same time for a while, until the bootloader mode will be on the screen. Then use volume rocker to navigate here and choose the recovery mode by power key. Wait for a while until the no command screen will be on your device. Then, to go next, click once power key and volume up key shortly. Okay, here we are. Here, navigate also by volume rocker and choose Wipe Data Factory Reset option. Then choose Factory Data Reset process. And wait until the device will be completely factory resetted. Alright, data wipe complete, so simply use Reboot System now. So, we have now device completely resetted. So what? The lock screen will be removed, but if you have Google account on the device, you should log in into this account to use the device. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below if you have some questions, for example. Thank you for watching and goodbye.